Welcome to the Selmo Academy tutorial video series. Today we will show you how to convert your modeled process models of the automated plants into an executable PLC code. With Selmo, we have created the possibility to generate a PLC Open-compliant XML and import it into the selected controller. This standardized XML format allows programs, libraries, and projects to be stored in accordance with IEC 61131-3. The PLC OpenXML format, also known as IEC 61131-10, is part of the IEC 61131 series of standards and provides an open interface for information exchange between different development environments and platforms. To generate the code, first select a target system for which you want to generate the PLC code. In the area target system, you find all supported systems. These target systems are constantly extended with new ones. This is how Selmo creates hardware independence. To finally generate the PLC code, there are several possibilities. Either you select the plant or the desired level in the Project Explorer for which you want to generate the PLC code. Or you choose in the quick selection bar from the two possibilities to generate the code with in and output mapping or without the in-output mapping. Selmo Studio generates the PLC code and outputs it in the selected XML file. Finally, you can open the exported file in your preferred PLC programming environment and transfer it to the machine. In the next video, we will show you the HMI generated from the process model.